Hi, today I'll be discussing the best credit card for lounge access in 2026. In this video, I'm going to break down the best credit cards for lounge access in 2026. From US Bank Altitude Connect card to the United Explorer card, the Ritz-Carlton credit card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, the Capital One Venture X card, the Delta Sky Miles Reserve, and the Amex Platinum card. I'll cover the features, the pricing, the pros and cons of each, and help you figure out which one is actually worth it. So let's get started. The US Bank Altitude Connect, which is for the best budget option. The US Bank Altitude Connect card is perfect if you want lounge access without paying a huge annual fee. Here are the key features. You earn 5-time points on prepaid hotels and car rentals that are booked directly in the travel center. You earn 4 times points on travel. You earn 2 times points on dining and streaming services also at grocery stores. And there are premium travel benefits, yes, airport lounge access and TSA PreCheck Plus, as well as low introductory APR, no foreign transaction fees, and global connectivity. This card gives you access to a large network of airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass. How much does it cost? No annual fee. You pay nothing in your first year, then eventually start to pay $95 annually. This card is very affordable, it has good travel perks for beginners, and as earlier mentioned, no foreign transaction fees. But the cons include it has only 4 lounge visits per year and no premium lounge networks like Centurion. It is the best starter card if you want to test lounge access without committing to a high annual fee. Next is the United Explorer card, which is best for United flyers. This one is more airline specific, so it's ideal if you frequently fly. Here are the main features. You can earn up to 80,000 bonus miles, which is a new card member offer. You earn 9 times miles on United purchases, and you earn 2 times miles on all other travel and everyday purchases. You also get over $500 in annual partner credits, and you enjoy more travel benefits as you use the card. What is the pricing like? $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, and you pay $150 subsequently. This card is great for occasional United travelers. It has easy to use benefits and airline perks that save money quickly. Just that it has limited lounge access and basically works with United lounges. So if you fly United occasionally, this card is solid, but it's not a full lounge access solution. Next is the Ritz-Carlton credit card. The Ritz-Carlton credit card is no longer available directly, but you can still get it through an upgrade, and it's powerful. Here are the key features. You earn points with your purchases. 6 times points for every $1 spent at over 30 hotel brands around the world, participating in Marriott Bonvoy. 3 times points for every $1 spent on dining, car rentals, and airline purchases. 2 times points earned for every $1 spent on all other purchases. You also have an automatic Gold Elite status, a free night award, and a $300 annual travel credit. What is the pricing like? It's around $450 annual fee. This card has a generous guest access, premium travel benefits, and is great for families or group travel. Just that it's not available to new applicants and requires upgrade path. So if you can get this card, it's one of the best for traveling with guests. Next is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, best all-rounder. This is one of the most popular premium travel cards, and for good reason. Here are the key features. You earn 150,000 points after you spend $6,000 in purchases in the first 3 months from account opening, and you also earn points. 8 times points on all purchases through Chase Travel, 4 times points on flights booked directly, 4 times points on hotels that are booked directly, 3 times points on dining worldwide, and 1 times points on all other purchases. You have over $1,500 in annual travel value. This card costs $795 annual fee and $195 for each authorized user that you add to your user list. The card is easy to use. It has easy to use travel credits, strong rewards on travel and dining as earlier mentioned, and guest access included. But the annual fee is high, and there are fewer exclusive lounges compared to Amex. But this is the best balanced card because you have great rewards, solid lounge access, and easy to use benefits. Next is the Capital One Venture X. This card completely changed the game. It's known as the best value premium card because it gives you premium lounge access at a much lower price. With this card, you earn 75,000 miles When you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening, you earn 10,000 miles anniversary bonus, $300 annual travel credits, and a global entry or TSA pre-check credits of $120. The annual fee is currently $395 US. This card is best for premium lounge access. It has high quality lounge experience and strong travel rewards. You also earn double miles on every purchase and even more on every trip. How about the cons? There are fewer lounge locations globally and guest policies may change over time. If you want premium perks without paying top tier fees, this is easily one of the best options. Next is the Delta SkyMiles Reserve. It's best for Delta flyers. If you're loyal to Delta, this card is a powerhouse. You can get as high as 100,000 bonus miles after you spend $5,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of card membership. You have an MDQ Head Start where you receive $2,500 medallion qualification dollars each medallion qualification year. You have MQD Boost, Delta Sky Club Access, $240 in RACI credits, and $200 Delta Stays credits. You also earn 3 times miles on Delta purchases and 1 times miles on all other purchases. This card costs $650 annually. It's excellent for Delta frequent flyers. It has premium airline perks and strong travel experience, but the annual fee is high. So if you don't fly Delta often, you have limited value for this. The last is the Amex Platinum card, which is best overall lounge access card. The Amex Platinum is widely considered the best card for lounge access worldwide. You earn as high as 175,000 membership rewards points when you spend $12,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of card membership. And currently, the card costs $895. The card has a wide lounge access network, in fact the widest. There's premium travel perks and credits and luxury airport experience, but the annual fee is very high. If you travel frequently and you want the best possible airport experience, this is the top choice. But if you're thinking about money, then you better stay away. At the end of the day, the best card depends on how you travel. But definitely, you'll find one that suits you of the 7 cards that have been discussed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.